Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unwrap some things we left in the last video. This has been quite a series of videos for this particular model, so today we are going to wrap up the unwrapping for this mortar and move on to texturing. But before we start, just make sure you subscribe to the channel so that I can keep making these tutorials for you, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So let's start with the unwrapping. So select this part and isolate it. Now go to create and select camera based. Go to edge mode and select these edges to create seams. So we are done with this part, so let's move on to this one. Now go to your UV editor and go to edge mode. Then cut and go to shell mode, select the shells and unfold. Now select this one and you can connect it to here. And this one here. Now go to shell mode again and select all of them and then again unfold. Rotate them. Select all the shells and layout. You can also go to edge mode and select these edges and then move and swoop. Go to shell mode and unfold. You can do the same for this side. And unfold. Now select these edges and move and sew. Repeat for this shell. Now unfold one more time. Now select both of them and layout. Now unhide your model and let's unwrap this part. Again isolate. Go to create and select this camera based. Go to edge mode and create a seam here and one here. Now cut, UV mode and unfold. Then fix the orientation. And layout. Rotate it a little bit like this and layout. Now let's select this metal part of the wheel. Again isolate. Go to create and camera based. Go to edge mode and create a seam. Go to UV editor and cut and unfold. Fix the orientation and rotate it. Then layout. Now let's unwrap these two rings. You can combine these and then isolate. And as you can see, we have already some seams here, so you just have to cut through these edges. So go to create and camera based. Go to edge mode, select these seams, go to edge mode in the UV editor and then cut and unfold. Orient. Rotate it and layout. Now let's unwrap this one. Again isolate. Go to create and try automatic mapping. Move and sew. And layout. Now let's unwrap this one. Isolate. Go to create and select camera based. Go to edge mode. Select this edge. So we are done with creating the seams. Go to UV editor and cut them, then unfold. You can go to edge mode and select all these edges and then move and sew. Repeat for this one and then unfold one more time. As you can see, we have some unattached edges, so select them and move and sew. One more time, unfold and orient shell. Now layout. Now let's unwrap this part. Isolate. Go to create and camera based. Go to edge mode. Select these edges. Then cut and unfold. Rotate this one. And move and sew. Now layout. Just fix the orientation. Layout again. Now unwrap this cylinder. So this cylinder is in the basic shape. So you can see the seams already created by the Maya. So you just have to create a camera based mapping and create the seams as they are right now. So go to create and camera based. Now select this edge and this one. Deselect these edges. Go to edge mode and cut. Then unfold. And layout. So we used sweep mesh for this rope. So this is automatically unwrapped because new sweep mesh tool in Maya 2022 unwraps all the geometry it creates. So you just have to go to UV shell and unfold one more time if you want. And orient shell. Then layout. So you delete this one and select this one. Go to create and camera based. Again edge mode. Select this ring and this one. Cut and unfold. Orient shell. Then layout. Now select this one and you can create an automatic mapping for this one. Now select these edges and move and sew. Unfold. Orient shell and then layout. Go to edge mode, select these edges, move and sew. Unfold one more time and layout. So we have unwrapped everything in this model. So now let's just create the duplicates and export it. Now select this ring and create a duplicate. Place this one down here. Now select this one and these rings. Combine them. Create a duplicate. Place on the back. Like this. Now select this whole thing. And combine it. Go to top view, create a duplicate. Go to wireframe mode and place the pivot in the center of the grid. Go to channel box and in the scale Z add a -1. So we just duplicated everything in one go and it looks fine. Now you can separate them. Select this one and modify center pivot. Bring it out. Now select this plank and create a duplicate. Go to right view, wireframe mode, place it beside this and press Shift D to duplicate with transformation. Now select this one and go to front view. Focus, enable discrete rotation and rotate it, then press Shift D again to duplicate with transformation and select all these 4 cylinders, combine, duplicate again and place it on this side. Now combine this wheel. Go to top view and duplicate, then again press D and X to snap the pivot to the center of the grid, and in the scale Z add -1. Now you can select both wheels and this cylinder and combine. Press Ctrl D and place it on the back like this. So we have duplicated everything we deleted. Now let's select all these things and separate. Now I'm going to select all the wooden part first. So select this one and these planks, these wheels, and combine. Now assign a new material. Go to edit and delete by type history. This is cart and material is cart wood. Now select all these shells and layout. And as you can see, some of our UVs are flipped. So go to UV shell and select all these red UVs. Go to modify and flip. Select all of them and layout again. So our wooden part are in a separate UV. Select this one and create a duplicate. Place this one right here. Now let's select all the metal parts. So first select these rings. And combine. Same for this side. And combine. Now select these wheel covers. So we have selected everything that is going to be our metal. Now combine and layout. As you can see, we have some red UVs here. So select and we need to flip them. Go to modify and flip. Now go to UV shell and rotate these one. Orient. Rotate this one too. And this one. Now select all of them and layout. You can also fix the orientation for these shells. Go to edit and delete by type history. Assign a new material. Mortar and mortar material. Now we just have to assign a new material for this row. So select it and assign new material, Arnold standard surface. Go to edit and delete by type history. And rope material. Now select all of it and go to edit, delete by type history. Select all of it, go to file, export selection, and export Mortar FPX. We have completely unwrapped the mortar and exported for the texturing. So that's it for today. And in the next video, we're going to texture it in Substance Painter. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.